Can you tell me one of the important skill which is going to take your business to the next level, which is going to help you to build your personal brand online, or which is going to help you to build long-term sustainable profitable business online by leveraging the power of video? Yes, I am talking about video making skill. If you are the person who really want to build long-term profitable sustainable business online, then video is the way to go. And if you're not making video consistently, if you're not showing yourself in front of your audience every day, continuously, consistently, then let me tell you, my friend, you are not moving forward, you're not taking action, you're not going ahead. Alright, so doesn't matter whether you are into any category, whether you have your niche or whether you have your micro niche, doesn't matter. Whether you are affiliate marketer, whether you're coach, whether you're digital marketer, whether you're promoting someone else's product as an affiliate marketer, or whether you are selling your own courses as a coach and consultant, doesn't matter. But if you're not leveraging the power of video and you really want to build that long-term profitable business online, then my friend, you are missing the bus. Video is the way to go. Doesn't matter whether you're starting right now, or doesn't matter whether you're going to start after 1 month or 6 months down the line, or you're going to start after 1 year. Doesn't matter. But video is the way to go. Because of the video, you will be able to show your face in front of your audience. Because of the video, you will be able to show your product and services to your audience. Because of the video, you will be able to show your business, tell your stories to your audience. That's the reason, if you are the person who is not making video, then this is a red signal right now, my friend. Start making video today itself. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to talk about 4 important video types which is going to help you to grow your personal brand to the next level and boost your business online. So let's get into it one by one. What are the 4 important top different types of video which is going to help you to build your personal brand and business online? Let's get into it. Very number 1 is information video. See, there are a lot of video content creators are creating video on various topics. They might be having their own different niche, but they are creating video, they are creating a lot of content around that similar topics. But I'm here talking about 4 different types of videos which you can make directly, which your audience are already looking that particular content to consume. Alright, so first is information video. Information video is something where you are just providing some sort of information around your topic, around that particular niche, around that particular area of interest where you are actually having the expertise, or you are already having some skill set. So information video is the number 1 where you can keep on creating lot of content around your own respective niche, around your own respective skill set which you really want to show to the world, right? So information video can be anything. You might be in any niche. You might be having in your health and wellness niche, you might be an affiliate marketer, you might be a digital marketer, you might be running your own business. So you can talk about that. You can just provide some sort of information and knowledge around that topic. So that is a part of information video. So here is the second type of video you can create in order to build your personal brand and boost your business online is demonstration videos. See, I don't know your background. I don't know what kind of a niche or area of interest you already have, or I don't know your expertise, or I don't know your skill set which you are already carrying. But let me tell you, whatever topic you are choosing, you need to create how-to videos, how to do. For example, you are teaching someone that how to build a personal brand, or how to be an effective public speaker, or how to build a communication skill, right? So you are teaching some sort of A to Z expertise or A to Z map. You are telling and educating someone who is going to watch your video that how to do that particular work, how to do particular task, or how to do some particular thing or specific thing. You are actually solving the problem of that particular person. That people are actually really hungry to consume this kind of a content. They understand why you go on YouTube. If you really want to know something about, if you have some problem, or if you want to know something about any particular topic, then you will go on YouTube and you will type how to do this, how to do that, how to make a video, how to edit video. So you can create any kind of a videos where you are actually teaching someone how to perform that particular thing. Alright. So the third type of video you can create is storytelling videos. These are really powerful videos you can create in your business. See, understand, I'm not only talking about that how you can create a video or what kind of videos you have to create, but I'm talking about you need to add some emotional elements in your videos as well. So storytelling is one of the powerful thing you can do, and which is going to make wonder in your business. Because when you add stories, when you add emotional angle, when you try to connect deeply with your audience, that particular person who is going to watch a video, that particular person who is following you, that particular person who is actually consuming your content, he or she will not leave you. He or she really would expect to learn something from you. He or she will look towards you as a mentor, or they will look towards you as a solution for their problems, because stories are actually going to deeply connect between you and your audience. It is going to be a different bond between you and your audience will have because your stories. Because understand, people don't want to work with your product or services. They don't care about what kind of a product or services you are offering to them. They don't even sometimes care about what kind of a ticket size you have. They don't care about all those things. But if you're adding some sort of story, and if you're adding some sort of emotional angle in your video content, your audience are going to really love to listen you constantly and continuously. So that's the reason stories are powerful weapon you can leverage in your video content all the time, and you can deeply connect with your audience. So start leveraging the power of stories in your video content. And the last and fourth is extremely important in order to scale your business to the next level is testimonials video. See, when you start a business and when you start growing forward, when you start keep on taking one step after one step, and once you at the peak where you have to now take a next level and you have to jump on the next level, then these kind of videos are extremely important. Majorly these videos are going to help you to build that particular credibility and authority in the market in your respective niche. Because understand, when you are talking about particular content and when you are actually teaching that particular skills to your audience will not consider you as an expert, because that is you are talking. But when you start creating some sort of testimonials videos, that means your students, your customers, your audience are going to talk about you, your product, your services, you as a person, you as a business, then that impact is going to be different. Because here you are not only talking about you, your brand, or about your product or services, but the people who have came across to your product, the people have came across with your course, the people have got some service or got some results because of you, your expertise, and those people are talking to those your new audience who are actually listening. All right. See, understand, when you are talking, people will not take you seriously because they are already listening and watching a lot of other people's content as well. But someone else is talking about you as a testimonial video, someone else is reviewing about you, your product and your services, that impact is going to be different on your audience. So understand, this is extremely important in order to scale your business to the next level and be a profitable and get some desired results in your business. So testimonials videos are actually very powerful in order to grow your business to the next level. All right, so I believe that you got some golden nuggets from this video, and you understand now that what kind of 4 types of video you can create in order to grow your business to the next level and build your brand online by leveraging the power of video. Please put in the comment box what are those kind of videos you are creating right now, or what kind of challenges, or if you have any questions in your mind, then make sure you put in the comment box. I'm gonna 100% reply you there. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon, because I will be uploading a lot of content around video making, personal branding and content creation, which is going to help you to build your personal brand online and boost your business to the next level. Wish you all the best. I will see you in the next video. Good luck.